Friends, Sapna digital coach and director speaking. I'm so excited to do the unboxing video for this December. Yes, very excited because the 25th anniversary celebrations is on and every day we are celebrating what with the whole catalog being 25% off. Friends, ಎಲ್ಲ products 25% off ಇದೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಆರಿಫ್ಲೇಮ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಸಹ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನಂದು 23 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆರಿಫ್ಲೇಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು 25% ಆಫ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೂ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ರೆಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟು ತುಂಬ 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 ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಮಿಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಜನ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಜಾಬ್ ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೋನಸಸ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಸುರಿಮಳೆನೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಫರ್ಸ್, ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಸಹ ನನಗೂ ತುಂಬ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನೂ ಮೀಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ is wellness. How can I miss wellness, right? So wellness, well-being set ನಾನು ಎರಡು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Definite ಆಗಿ this is not to miss for me, my son, my mom, everybody. Easy 140 points, great health, energy and lot of stamina to keep us fit and give us the nice immunity from the Swedish Beauty Complex. This is the must have for me in every order. And above all, so 25% discounts ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ 45 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನೋವೇಜಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ನೋವೇಜ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪಿಕ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ because even I get acne and marks. It takes time to get repair. Yeah, I'm using the Novage 24-hour breakout and emulsion. It's doing very well, but faster 1 month alle beku andre this is not to be missed for me. So I picked up that, and when you're taking this, sunscreen is must, and both are in offer, great offers. So I picked up this. The catalog is great, and one of my favorite deodorant is Silk Roll-On. Is last time in the catalog. Try your luck. It might be available. Underarms whitening and in offer. Why miss? And I do a lot of orders in my personal orders. Sometimes it will be more than 600 also. So I get multiple business class. Many products up to 60% off. So I picked up the best of best Giordani Gold perfume. This is for gifting. I get it hardly for 1,000 in business class. And also Giordani Gold Master Creation. This is my not to miss foundation. I never compromise on my skincare. I want the best, the luxury. And even the hand care for business class, I have taken the Essence & Co, which is rich in perfume oil, refreshing. The lime is also very energizing and smell is so good, and the hand doesn't even dry even if you wash it multiple times. You see this? It's nice, right? I keep pampering it with the wash and also the lotion. And for senior managers above, we get lot of opportunities. Like we can take next month's new launches now itself. And how can I miss my favorite? And for your information, we are getting chocolate wellness shake next month, and I can pick it up. I picked it up. It's really awesome. I have tried this in the manager seminar before, and exotic. I think I tried more than 5-6 times there, and you will never try any chocolate milkshake. It is so delicious, energizing, and yes, you will not have any other junk food after trying this. I want to give this to my son and others and make them addicted to this. Best hair care wellness product is the best, and I wanted to show you something more, something surprising where we get on commitments. Yes, the Mora bag, right? It's really beautiful, and I had not seen this anytime before. You can use it as such or even tighten the band and it becomes beautiful. I am going to take this. I am going to travel from now. I'll be showing off this to all my relatives, and definitely they will be asking, where did you get? And they will definitely tell, yes, this is Oriflames, get me one. This is what they say. See, it's spacious. We call the bucket bag also, and I am waiting to show it off. Don't you want to? So do this before December 10th. See that you register 2 people and they place 100 points and you get it. And I have done it. It's really awesome excitement which none of us should miss now. With these great discounts and great offers, not to miss. And yes, just a sneak peek in next month's catalog also. I pick up more than 10-20 catalogs every time. We have the exciting baby collection. Yes, see from zero. And lot of other surprises. Many of you were waiting for tea tree. Yes, we have the tea tree cover stick launching. See the baby products. We have offer. You're going to get this for free. See, lot of offers are there. Excitement, chocolate shake, as I told, tea tree. It's there for you at 40% off also. So lot of cover stick, new one. Back page, coconut. So isn't this exciting month now and also for January? So why not close this December with a bang and make it very memorable? Yeah, many of us have gone through COVID issues, gone through losses, and yes, let us close it with a nice memory so that we will start January with a bang and definitely reach at the top. Yes? Okay. See you all in our next webinar and have a great rocking December 2020.